Hi everyone. Shivananda Sharma Memorial RV College Video Lectures and ISR Initiative. SSMRV College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, has come up with a unique initiative to engage students at the time of this unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Professor Rani Antony Raj, Department of BBA, has posted a video on the subject cost accounting and the topic overhead cost control. Part 4. Please watch the video till the end, like, share with your peer groups and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Overhead cost control. In this video, I am going to explain how to solve the problem under machine hour rate. This is very important in your examination point of view. Machine hour rate, which is calculated by dividing the budgeted or estimated overhead cost attributable to a machine or a group of similar machines by appropriate number of machine hours, which is nothing but it is a factory overhead incurred for running a machine for 1 hour. This is known as machine hour rate. Machine hour rate, it has been segregated into two charges, that is standing or fixed charges, variable expenses or running charges. Standing charges are charges which remains constant or fixed irrespective of the use of running of machines. For example, rent and rates, indirect wages. And when you come down to that is variable charges refers to those expenses which vary with the use of machine, which means that only if you use the machines which will be calculated, that is variable charges. Example, depreciation of machine. We'll move on to our next slide. Basis of calculating machine hour rate. These are the expenses, that is standing charges, variable expenses, basis on which the machine hour rate will be calculated. Standing charges, rent and rates based on area of square feet, heating and lighting based on number of light point, supervision, time spent on each machine, lubricating oil, machine hours, insurance, value of machine, miscellaneous expenses on the appropriate basis. Variable expenses, depreciation based on cost of machine or less installation expenses minus scrap value, power, meter reading, repairs, actual expenses incurred on the life of the machine. This is the formula to calculate machine hour rate. Machine hour rate is equal to factory overheads for the machine divided by number of machine hours. We'll move on to our next slide, that is important calculation. These two are very important calculation in order to find out machine hour rate. First we need to find out depreciation. Second thing we need to find out calculation of effective machine working hours. In order to find a depreciation, this is the formula: cost of machine plus installation expenses plus transportation expenses minus scrap value divided by life of the machine. After doing this, you will be getting the value depreciation of machine. And second one is calculation of effective machine working hours. Total machine hours, it will be stated in a problem, minus maintenance hours. Then whatever the value you are getting, you have to write it down here. Less setting up time if non-productive. If it is specified in a problem, if it is non-productive, only then you have to take it here. If it has been specified as productive, ignore the value. Then whatever the value you are getting, that is effective working hours. Next we'll move on to a problem. I have taken one problem here. From the following particulars, compute machine hour rate. A cost of machine 1,14,800, installation charges 5,400, anticipated life of the machine, it is nothing but the life of the machine 10 years, residual value at the end of the year, residual value is nothing but it is a scrap value 5,000, rent and rates per annum 12,000, rent and rates are, it is fixed charges. Next, insurance of the machine per annum, it is also fixed charges. It has been specified per annum. If suppose if it is per month, if it is given, converted into per year, then you have to calculate machine hour rate. Repairs and maintenance, it is also standing charges. Consumable stores, it is standing charges per total production services per annum. It is also standing charges. Power cost is 5 units per working hours at 40 paise per unit. You need to calculate this power charges. Setting up time, non-productive, it has been given. This non-productive will be taking in order while calculation of effective working hours. Then there are 300 working days of 8 hours each in a year. This also will be taking while calculating effective machine hour rate. Now first we will go on to our working note 1. Depreciation of machine. Formula is cost of machine plus installation charge expenses plus transportation expenses minus scrap value divided by life of machine. Cost of machine, it has been given in a problem, it is 1,14,800 plus installation expenses 5,400, same thing have written down here, plus 0 transportation expenses, it is nil, so 0 minus scrap value. Scrap value is residual value is known as scrap value, it is 5,000, the same thing have written here, divided by anticipated life of machine is 10 years. Simplify further, you will be getting the value as 11,520. This is the depreciation of machine is 11,520. Next we will move on to our working note 2. Calculation of effective machine working hours. In order to calculate effective machine hours, we need to take total machine hours. Total machine hours is there are 300 working days of 8 hours each in a year. That is 300 days into 8 hours. You will be getting 2,400 hours less maintenance hour. In the problem they have not given us, so it is nil. It remains the same, 2,400 less setting up time if non-productive. They have clearly mentioned in the problem setting up time non-productive, it is 400 hours per annum. The same thing have written down here. If it is productive, you have to ignore it. They specified clearly in the problem it is non-productive. I am writing down here. So 2,400 minus 400, you will be getting 2,000 hours. So this is effective working hours. We will move on to the calculation of machine hour rate. Machine hour rate, it has been classified into standing charges and variable charges. Standing charges which remains fixed, variable charges which varies. So standing charges are the and rates per annum 12,000, insurance 3,000, same thing have written here. Repairs and maintenance, it is 8,460. Consumable stores per annum have written, you can check here also, per year is nothing but per annum. Then consumable stores 1,200. Production services, total production services per annum is 1,080. Okay, when you total up all these things, you will be getting 25,920. It is total standing charges. We need to calculate machine hour rate. So total standing charges divided by effective working hours. When you do it, you will be getting the hour rate. So total charges is 25,920 divided by 2,000, effective working hours 2,000, will be getting 12.96. This is standing charges per hour. Next we need to calculate variable charges. Variable charges which varies, that is depreciation power charges. Depreciation is, we have already calculated the depreciation of machine, which is 11,520 divided by 2,000. 2,000 is effective working hours. When you divide that, you will be getting 5.76 per hour. Then power charges, power cost is 5 units per working hours at 40 paise per unit. So 5 units into 40 paise, it is 2 rupees you will be getting. Total machine rate is 12.96 plus 5.76 plus 2, you will be getting total is 20.72. This is machine hour rate. This is how you need to calculate machine hour rate. First you need to calculate a depreciation, effective machine hours, then you need to compute according to the format. I have taken one more problem. We will solve that also. This is the second problem which I have taken. Compute the machine hour rate from the following date. cost of machine, installation charges, anticipated life of machine, it is 15 years. Residual value is nothing but it is a scrap value. Rent and rates for the shop per month. When it is specified per month, we need to convert it into years. After converting into years, we need to calculate the amount. Next is insurance premium for machine per annum. It has been given as per annum, no need to calculate. General lighting for the shop per month. Per month when it is specified, we need to calculate to per year. Then repairs and maintenance expenses per annum. It has been clearly mentioned. Then power consumption 10 units per hour. They have not given us the amount here. We need to calculate the rate of the power per 100 units. 100 units, if it is 20 rupees, then if it is for 10 units per hour, we have to calculate that. It is a indirectly they have given us to calculate the rate. Since they have not mentioned, we need to calculate the rate for it. Then estimated working hours per annum. This include the setting up time. Setting up time, they have not specified whether it is productive or non-productive. Since you can assume it as non-productive and you can consider it. Shop supervisor salary per month. It is per month, so we need to calculate to per year. Next, additional information. The machine occupied 1/4 of the total area of the shop. The supervisor is expected to devote 1/5 his time for supervising the machine. So what we have to do is, based on this additional information, we need to calculate machine hour rate. First working note is calculation of depreciation of machine. Cost of machine is 1 lakh plus installation expenses 10,000 plus transportation expenses is nil. They have not given anything, 0, minus scrap value is residual value is 5,000 divided by life of the machine, it is 15 years. So when you simplify it, you will be getting 7,000. It is a depreciation of machine is 7,000. Second working note is we need to calculate the effective machine working hours. Total machine hours they have given clearly, it is that is 2,200. Estimated working hours per annum is 2,200. Same thing I have written down here. Maintenance is nil. So 2,200 remains same. Up time we have 200. 2,200 minus 200, it is 2,000 hours. Effective working hours is 2,000 hours. This is next. We'll move on to computation of machine hour rate. Computation of machine hour rate. It is standing charges, rent and rates 200 has been specified in the problem. Per month we need to calculate to 12 months. Per is 200 per month into 12 into 1/4. So 1/4 you will be getting 600. General lighting 300 per month, 300 into 12 months into 1/4 900. Insurance they have already specified per annum it is, so directly I am taking that. Then supervisor salary 600 per month, it has to be calculated to per year into 12 months into 1/5. Okay, supervisor is expected to devote 1/5 of his time. So 1/5 have taken. When you calculate it, you will be getting 1,440. Total up all these things 3,900. So total standing charges per hour 3,900 divided by 2,000, which is effective working hours. When you divide it, you will be getting 1.95. This is the standing charges per hour. Which is variable charges. Variable charges is depreciation. Depreciation we have already calculated 7,000. 7,000 divided by 2,000, it is 3.50. Repairs and maintenance, it is 1,000 divided by 2,000. It is the working hours. Effective working hours 2,000. 1,000 divided by 2,000, you will be getting 0.50. Then power charges not specified the amount. So we need to find out the amount here. Power charges is they have given us a rate of power per 100 units. If for 100 units it is 20 rupees. Then for 10 units per hour we need to calculate. So 100 units is equal to 20 rupees, that is 20 divided by 100. When you do it, you will be getting 0.20 per unit. 0.20 into 10 units, you will be getting it as 2 rupees, that is 2.00. This is the power charges. Since it is nil, we have found out that is 2 rupees. 2 rupees. Then total variable charges. Total variable charges is 3.50 plus 0.50, it is 4 rupees, plus 2, we will be getting 6 rupees. This is total variable charges. Total machine hour rate is 6 rupees plus 1.95. You will be getting total as 7.95. So this is total machine hour rate as 7.95. This is how we need to calculate machine hour rate. Thank you for watching.